Hello crypto enthusiast. In this quick video, I'll show you how to find your BCS wallet address to use on CPEN using three popular wallets. So first up, let's start with MetaMask and now just open the extension and click on network selector, and you need to click on here, and then you will have to choose BNB Smart Chain mainnet, and your BCS address will appear just right here. Just click got it, and then copy the address by clicking this button. And next up, we have Trust Wallet. Now once inside the Trust Wallet, you'll have to choose PNV Smart Chain and then tap receive, and just copy the address, and that is your PNV Smart Chain asset address. Now the last option we have is OKX. So for OKX wallet, go to your wallet tab, then click on here wallet, and then you have to find BNB. Just type for BNB, and once you find that, just copy the address by clicking on the copy button next to the address. Now remember, your PCS address is the same across all those wallets, so it's a unique ID on the BNB Smart Chain, and you'll need this to receive tokens like CPEN. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.